If you're looking for information on the Scanlist Lifetime deal and review, you've come to the right place. The Scanlist Lifetime deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this video, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the Lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about the Scanlist Lifetime deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Ready to send? With Scanlist AI, you can produce top-notch leads and craft customized message sequences at a quicker pace than any other individual. Enrich lead lists with 20+ data points. Profile scraping. Get access to real-time data that is continuously updated, eliminating the need for outdated and stagnant databases. Export leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator Search, Basic LinkedIn Search, and Saved Leads. The data you receive is of the highest quality and is refreshed frequently. Retrieve email addresses in bulk. LinkedIn can be used to extract business emails and create lead lists. In addition, email verification can be performed to confirm the accuracy, validity, and deliverability of the emails. With a remarkable 97% accuracy rate, this approach can improve email metrics and increase deliverability rates. Hyper-personalized messages at scale. In just a few minutes, you can create numerous customized messages. You have the option to choose from 3 types: initial outreach emails, LinkedIn connection requests, and tailored conversation starters. Integrate lead generation into your workflow with Scanlist by making a LinkedIn search and letting Scanlist handle the rest, saving the results in your dashboard. Export contacts from any LinkedIn search or Sales Navigator lists. Each contact comes with 20+ data points and includes free email verification. Scanlist scrapes several data points, including company description, logo, and profile photo. 1 credit unlocks everything there is about the profile and their company. Use the built-in email verification feature to ensure authenticity. Generate a personalized cold message sequence for each contact based on the scraped profile data. Export your lists and personalized message paragraphs in a few clicks. Scanlist works well even without a Sales Navigator subscription. Why are you let? Get lifetime access to Scanlist today. One-time purchase of $49 only. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you.